Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and Esim compatible, because that determines if the profile will activate. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and retrieve the Holafly QR code or activation code from your email. Make sure you know which SIM slot is primary versus secondary so you don't overwrite your main line. Next, back up any important carrier settings. This protects your current setup. Then open Settings Cellular to begin adding a new Esim profile. Don't skip straight to scanning yet. You now install the Holafly profile by choosing Settings, Cellular, and Add Cellular Plan. Then scan the QR or type the activation code. Once added, assign the profile as secondary or primary, depending on whether you keep your home SIM active. Make sure to label the plan clearly so you can switch quickly. Then, disable data roaming on your regular line and enable mobile data on the Holafly profile, because this prevents accidental charges. Finally, confirm the APN auto-configured correctly. Adjust only if your provider gave instructions. You finish by toggling mobile data to the Holafly profile and restarting the phone to ensure the operator registers you on the local network. Once rebooted, open a browser or run a speed test to confirm connectivity. Also check MMS if you need messaging. If you don't get a signal, make sure airplane mode is off and preferred network type is correct. Key troubleshooting tip: remove and reinstall the Esim profile, then restart. This resolves most provisioning glitches before you contact Holafly support for account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.